Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I already did the brakes, the brake line, and I mentioned I'm gonna make a video how to bleed the brakes. First thing first, this is Ford F150 97 4.2 liter, and I already did the back wheels. Now I'm gonna do the passenger wheel, and then after that going towards the driver. Both wheels are in the air. This one I didn't want to put everything back since I already had it in the air. I'm gonna start doing that one first. It's a pretty simple thing. Make sure, it's very important to put the right fluid in your brake system. Read the manual. You do not want to put the wrong fluid in, because some of these trucks, they have connected brakes, and power steerings are connected, and if you put the wrong fluid in it, it will some of it will eat the seals, damage a lot of things, which you do not want to do that. Trust me, you're gonna have to go through and clean all that and fix all the leaky seals because the fluid that you put in is wrong. So yeah, like I said, get your manual, check it out, talk to your local auto shop, auto store that sells the parts. I'm sure they will find it for you. And as well, if you're doing it by yourself, it's kind of tricky, but you can still do it. I'll show you the way. Or you can have somebody to keep pumping the pedal, which is let the car run and let somebody be there to pump. While you're doing that, it's very, very important to keep the canister full. I mean, all the way to the full line. So you do not want to suck back in the air back in the system. You're just gonna be doing the job twice. Anyway, pretty simple, straightforward. We got a bleeder right here, which in my case is 3/8. If you can use the round, not the open end, it's better because you're not gonna strip, because these are famous for stripping the edges of the bleeder. So you have that, and look at this. I got a Gatorade filled with fluid, probably about 30%. I got the line that's right here attached through it, going to. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push this line over like so, and then I will open this bleeder like that. So right now I'm gonna go in the truck, start it, and I'm gonna be pumping it. So what happened is the truck and the boost cylinder will push the fluid out and the air, but once you release it, it will start sucking, right? But since the air is lighter than the fluid, air will go all the way on the top and it will just suck back in the fluid. So yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna show you how it works. right, so hopefully you saw what happened. Once you do that, you're gonna tighten this bolt in the bleeder and pull this line off. So yep, there it is. One is done. We're moving now to the next one, but since the process is the same, I'm not gonna show you that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty easy. Again, follow the instructions. What is your brake fluid? I think for this truck is dot 3 and dot 4 will do just fine, but for yours, do your research and make sure you follow the manual, or if you, like I said, contact your local auto parts store. They have all that info. Refill if necessary. Keep doing it until you have your pedal back like it's supposed to be. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Laters.